Good morning, folks. Might want to see if you live in one of the U.S. cities having Big Brother lampposts rolled out right now. When the Germans say screw the debt fix plan, it makes you wonder who is actually favoring it. This article is a bit of mainstream sheeple molding, but it does have some merit as fact-finding. This is a Chinese source about U.S. distrust of the Chinese underlying loyalties. Interesting read there. And last on the news front, this is a terrific article on how life beats back catastrophe to thrive every time. We've been telling you it's that time of year again. We have a tropical low in the Pacific and also our first named Atlantic storm of the year. Big Bites, aka DC Symbols on YouTube, has predicted an early start to the hurricane season. It appears he's correct. And as you watch Alberto develop off the Carolina coast, I'll share his report that this is the first time these storms have ever been seen so early in both oceans. Folks, the 5-pointer aftershocks are bigger than Italy is used to, so you can imagine what that 6-pointer felt like. It has left considerable damage and at least 3 dead. We also had a 6-pointer off the coast of Honshu a bit later. Looking at the solar wind here, you can see around 2 o'clock UTC, green, yellow, and red up at the top all spike or show instability. The orange is the density and remains elevated as well. This could be the CME impact, one of 2 set to strike Earth. The KP index is currently 4 unsettled levels. You can see the recent disturbance here on the Fluxgate magnetometer and the building baseline resonance here inducted on Earth. Ovation Prime clearly shows measurable particle bombardment, but it is not at storm level yet. Looking at the Sun, you can see some of the active regions and filaments appearing to go unstable. That dark region near the center is a coronal hole. It has crossed the center longitude, so in addition to another CME set to hit Earth, we do have a coronal hole stream set to scream past us as well. In terms of X-ray flares, activity is low, but solar features do appear significant on nearly the entire Earth-facing disk and merits observation today. Real life will look much more beautiful than Stellarium's visible take on the eclipse. I've included a safe watching eclipse article as well. No need to go blind watching this thing, but if you have clear skies tonight and the right location, get out there. Turning off the atmosphere here reminds us of just how many planets are near the Sun, set to conjoin each other in the coming days and into early June, as the 3rd of June sees a monthly lunar close approach to the Earth, one day before a full moon and also a lunar eclipse, just one day before Venus transits the Sun. Quake watches for early May were complete duds, but activity has risen since the Jupiter conjunction. Let's hope it doesn't continue, but let's be on watch for that as well. That's the news, folks. Be safe.